Okay, so hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2416, that is sum of prefix codes of strings, and in this we'll be given an array words of size n consisting of non-empty strings, and we define the score of a string term as the number of strings words I, such that term is a prefix of words of I. For example, if we are given in the words A, AB, ABC, and CAB, the score of AB is 2, since AB is a prefix of both AB and ABC. Okay, and we have to return an array answer of size n, where answer I is the sum of scores of every non-empty prefix of words, and note the string is considered a prefix of itself. Okay, so the let's answer the following for each of the string. ABC is basically having three prefixes, that is A, AB, and then ABC, and there are two strings with the prefix A, which is basically AB, C, and AB, and there are two strings with prefix AB, which are ABC again and then AB, and there is only one string with the prefix ABC, which is ABC itself. So the total number of strings for the answer word 0 becomes 2 plus 2 plus 1 5. So this is how we have to solve, and basically this is a trie question. Trie is a data structure which is used in which we store the prefixes of all the substrings, and so in this we'll be having to use that. So firstly, let's have a class of trie node, and let's have, this is going to be an array, and in this we'll be storing the next of basically the substring in its original form. So next character, or you can just use some other keyword, and the next character can be just from A to Z, so its size is going to be of size 26. New trie node of size 26. Okay, and let's have a count variable for it as well, so let that is equal to 0 initially. Okay, now in the solution class, let's implement this. We'll be having the root of every particular prefix, so let's have trie node root, that is equal to new trie node. Okay, and then what we'll bring is we'll be calling the having an insert function, which is going to be private void insert, and in this I'll be having the string word, and I'll be initializing tree node, sorry, trie node, which is initially equal to root. Okay, and then I'll be traversing in the word, so for char ch in word dot to character array. Okay, and I'll be checking that if node dot next of ch minus a, if that is equal to null, basically there's no it's like a new substring which we have found, new prefix which we have found, so I'll be initializing it to a new trie node. So this particular thing will be equal to a new trie node, and then I'll be updating its value, or let's say its count. Okay, so if that is present, and even if it's not, we have just updated the value, created the new node. So what I'll be doing is I'll be updating that node dot next of ch minus a, and its count, I'll be incrementing it, and I'll be setting my current node as node dot next of ch minus a. Okay, now let's calculate the count as well. So again, this is going to be a private function, private int count from the string word which we'll be having, and that is we'll be again having a trie node of node which is equal to root initially, and let's have an answer variable which will be storing the total sum of counts. Basically this is the function to find these values. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be doing that for character ch in word dot to character array. What I'll have to do is I'll be updating my answer as a node dot next of ch minus a dot count. this will be the value which I'll be updating it with, and I'll be updating my next, oh sorry, node with node dot next ch minus a, okay, and at the end I'll just return answer. Okay, so now just this part is left, we need to write this function. So firstly let's insert every word into the trie or the tree, let's say for int for, let's just do for string word in words. Let's call the function that is insert word. Okay, and now let's have the final answer is, so that will be equal to new int of size words dot length. Okay, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be getting the count as well. So for, let's have a pointer towards this for int, then again for string word in words, I'll be doing answer of index plus plus, so that will be equal to, I'll be calling the count function with the word, and at the end I just have to return answer. Now let's give it a run. Cannot find symbol, line number 9. W is capital. Now let's give it a run again. This is also not a valid function with start length. Yeah, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it. And works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.